Hey you! Thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Sandy and I'm the owner of Strings and Champagne Events. I am so excited for you to be part of my exclusive behind-the-scenes wedding video. You will get to see what my team and I can do for you on your wedding day. I've been planning weddings for about, I think this is my 11th year. One day I thought, you know what, I should start my own business. So here I am, 11 years later, still doing what I love. My biggest goal for every couple is connecting with the bride and groom. And we really start by picking the day, finding the venue, finding your DJ, your caterer, your bakery. We'll have design sessions, we'll have monthly sessions to keep you on track, and so on. I just have fun with it. I have fun, I want you to have fun. I just want you to know you'll be in good hands, you'll be taken care of, and I'm going to do my best to complete your wedding vision into reality. The weddings that we produce are not about us, they're about you. We just add some fun and expertise and make things flow. Don't forget to text or email me to book our wedding services for your wedding day. Cheers!